In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a table of contents in Microsoft Word, specifically focusing on how to remove the dots, also known as tab leaders, that appear between your headings and page numbers. This will give your document a cleaner and more professional look, which is particularly useful for business reports, academic papers, or any formal documentation that you want to stand out. So let's dive in and make your table of contents not only informative, but visually appealing. First things first, make sure you're in your Word document. Microsoft Word is a powerful tool for creating documents, and one of its best features is the ability to automatically generate a table of contents based on your document's headings. Once you're in your file, head over to the References tab, which is located along the ribbon at the top of the screen. The ribbon is packed full of tools, and the References tab is the go-to spot for anything related to citations, captions, and most importantly, tables of contents. Now within the References tab, you'll notice the Table of Contents option. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu, you can easily insert a standard table of contents. For our purposes today, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and insert one, even if it's just for this practice. After inserting, you might notice those dot leaders appearing by default between your headings and the page numbers. Our task is to remove these dots, giving it a cleaner appearance. To do this, select your inserted table of contents. Simply click inside your table of contents area and you'll see a border appear around it, indicating it's selected. Now click on Table of Contents again, just as we did before, and then choose Custom Table of Contents from the menu. A dialog box will appear offering a variety of options to customize your table of contents according to your preferences. In this dialog box, you'll see a setting called Tab Leader. This is where the dots are being generated from. You'll find several options such as dots, dashes, and lines, allowing for customization based on your preferences. However, in this tutorial, we want to remove them entirely. Click on Tab Leader and select None from the options available. This selection will remove any leader characters, leaving just your headings and the corresponding page numbers neatly aligned. After you've made this selection, make sure to click OK to apply these changes to your table of contents. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully customized your table of contents by removing the dots, achieving a sleeker and more polished look for your document. This simple adjustment can greatly enhance the readability and professionalism of your document, helping it make the best possible impression. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.